When I think about you, I think about giving myself to you. Cause you know I want you, babe. And I would do anything.
Damn, Kai, you going crazy.
They play with you and I'ma cut out their hand. They play with you, they know I'm taking a risk. If she with me, them other niggas is stink. When I'm with her, she show me love is this. They ain't seeing us, boo, they blind. She don't want no Rolex, she want me to make time. Even on Halloween, that girl my Valentine. The bus ain't bad, gotta be in jail right now. In a bump, writing letters in my...
Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing a hair color called My Diva from Aliexpress. They sent me some hair, and it came yesterday. Well, yeah, yesterday, because it's like 3 o'clock in the morning now, and I haven't even opened it yet. It came FedEx, so let's see. It comes in this little cute little purple mesh package. They sent me blonde hair. And the inches 24, 26, 28 with a 20-inch closure. So let's see how it looks. I bet. Okay, so it's out the pack and everything, and this hair is so soft. Like, you can rub your hand straight through it, no shedding. This is some really good blonde hair. The lace 4x4 closure. It's thick, which is kind of good. You don't want no thin closure. The bundles, once again, are 24, 26, and 28 in there full. The wefts are full. I'm probably going to make a wig. Well, I am going to make a wig and dye it. So that's going to be like a separate video. So I'm just posting my initial review as soon as I got it out of the package. I love this hair. And it's called My Diva on Aliexpress. I'm not sure if they have any other social medias, but this is where they sent it from. They sent it to me 24, 26, 28, and a 20-inch closure. The hair is so far so good. So like I said, once I make the wig and dye it, I'm going to make another video to see how well it takes to dye. Yeah, so overall, it seems like good hair. Good flow. You can rub your hands through it, and it's full.